We divide 462 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down the 6 and it is 16. So 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down these 2 and it is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. On subtracting, we get 0. So 462 divided by 3 is 154. So this much for today and thanks for watching.